Hi everybody, I'm Karen Uveda, the bilingual community health worker for Neighborhood Connections to Health. Today I'll be showing you how to do this instant lead test kit at home in a few steps. First, you will need at least one lead swab for each area to be tested. To activate the swab, you need to squeeze the point A and point B until you can hear and feel the inside being crushed. Shake the tube for a few seconds to be sure that the chemicals inside have mixed. Squeeze the tube until you see a little bit of the yellow liquid soaking down at the end of the tip. Firmly rub the wet tip of the swab across the surface. You can do this on windows, door frames, or any surface with chip paint. Continue for a few seconds. If lead is present in any surface, you may see a pink to red color reaction on contact. If the swab and surface remain unchanged after 30 seconds, lead has not been detected. If the test is negative, confirm this by squeezing a drop of the yellow liquid onto one of the test confirmation cards provided with your kit. The circle should instantly turn red. For more information about lead hazards and how to protect your family, visit us at ncthnj.org or by calling the number on your screen. Thank you for watching.